Football season's kicking off, and I've got two super easy air fryer bacon wrapped jalapeno recipes ready to take the field. Are you Team Classic Cream Cheese or Team Cheddar Explosion? Drop your pick in the comments because either way you're about to become a big fan of how easy and ridiculously tasty this game day snack is. We're starting out with fresh jalapenos. Cut them down the middle and clear out the insides. I leave the stem on like a little handle. First on the field, Team Classic. Cream cheese wrapped in thick cut bacon. No tricks, just solid, salty, smoky coverage. Stuff it, wrap it, and they're ready for the air fryer. Lining up across the line, Team Cheddar Explosion. Cream cheese, cheddar, a little garlic and onion powder. It's bold, it's gooey, it's going deep. It's a few more steps, but we're willing to put in the work for the win. No need to preheat, just pop them in. Set your air fryer to 385, and once that preheat beep hits, give them another 8 to 12 minutes depending on how crispy you want that bacon. It's game time. These aren't bench warmers, these are your starting lineup snacks, the kind that disappear before halftime. So who wins the snack bowl? Team Classic for that OG creamy bite, or Team Cheddar with that flavor blitz? Whether you're watching the game or just here for the snacks, these poppers bring the heat. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you next week with more air fryer greatness.